the chairman of this institution, KKR, KSR, Subbara Garu, Secretary Shekhar Garu, and my friend and principal, Babu, and other friends on the dais, academic friends, parents here, and also student friends, maybe press and electronic media. This is a great day in our life, and getting a degree is not only sufficient, but also with human values. Sometime back, when I visited Delhi, sometime MHRD, a top person in the education, he has asked me, no doubt as a Vice Chancellor of JNTU Kakinada, you are giving certificates, but what about their human values? What about their ethics and morals? So no doubt we have introduced the professional ethics and morals in the curriculum, but what about their human values, their service activity and their broad mindedness? Without human values, without ethics and morals, without the community service, whatever the degree you are getting is not at all sufficient. For example, when I was in Kakinada, traveling from Banagudi to university, at that time the father and son were going on a vehicle. Son was driving the vehicle and the father was sitting behind him. And because the sand which is there on the road, the scooter was slipped there, and father was fell down. The son was unable to lift his father or help his father, but nobody is taking care of them. The public is going and the traffic is moving, everything is moving, and nobody is taking care of them. Two lady students of second year engineering in JNTU Kakinada, they went to the spot and they helped the father person and they have taken him to the hospital. And no doubt he was right now also very good. And the only thing is the other persons, these two lady students, they have the human values, whereas the other persons, what about the other persons? I called them to my chamber as a Vice Chancellor, and I have given awards for them on a convocation day. One should have a human value in addition to the getting a degree. And focus on global education. For example, you achieved a BTech degree here in different branches. What about your future? Indaka chepparu, Subbara garu chakka chepparu and Shekhar garu kuda. Think about your future. For example, in JNTU Kakinada, some of the students are real achievers. IAS officers, collectors, IPS officers, superintendent of police, and chief secretaries, and entrepreneur. For example, BVR Mohan Reddy, Saint Infotech CMD, is alumni of Kakinada. Delhi Metro Chief, if you name top 3 engineers in the world, the Kakinada student, Engineer Sridhan, he got a place. He is also having a Padma Shri, Padma Vishan, and Shanta Biotic Varaprasad Reddy, he has invented a medicine with a low cost to eradicate hepatitis B. Great persons are there in alumni of JNTU Kakinada, and because of that, JNTU Kakinada is growing. Similarly, what I am expecting, no doubt, under Autonomous College, you are the first batch, you are going out with flying colors. But not only simply placement, but you should be achiever. This is the first step in our life, and take this step and try to become and try to appear and try to attempt at least IAS, IPS or whatever it is. And you should have one good dream to achieve. Suppose if you think that I got some job here with some normal salary, which is enough for me during lifetime. Don't think like that and try to think a bigger way and try to achieve something. Because of your achievement, the kids' college will grow further and it will magnify its image. The second one is if you are aiming for a global education, if you want to have an education in German universities or America, for example, you had an MOU with them when I visited Germany. Because of that, the advantage of that is the students who got BTech degree here, they can pursue PG at German university. The advantage of that is it is completely free education and getting scholarship, and only need to write the admission test, need to qualify and try to know German language also. And the program is completely industry institution program, 2 years program, PG program. You will be spending complete time of 85% time in industry and 15% time in the institution. And the student who is coming out of that institution and he is a hot cake for the industries, his salary is nearly 1 crore per year. Very recently, 10 of our Kakinada student, he got admission in German university, Kempton. Similarly, you should have all branches of engineering are equally good. Civil engineering marvels are there. Underground tunneling, underground underwater construction, any areas whatever for construction, big monuments, Leaning Tower of Pisa, and whatever it is. And for example, take another branch of engineering, for example, computer science, ECE, communications, it is going up, and computer science, artificial intelligence, and whatnot, and lot of development. So suppose if you think that I have done maximum, and you can close down the study and you can think that you are good in subject. It is required for you to update your knowledge day to day. The advancement is going very fast and development is going up with a lot of knowledge and also the importance, and try to be good in the subject also. For example, right now you know that the jobs are coming down in software companies, and now they are seeing only talent. Earlier they might take you as a data entry operator, but right now they are focusing on the meritorious coding skills or your performance, commitment, all these things. And your subject, your performance, your punctuality, your discipline, that matters not only in education but also in future in our industry or whatever IT sector there. No doubt the college has the permanent affiliation, autonomy, and a wonderful faculty and all facilities. You might have used all the facilities and try to use your knowledge in a proper way and try to become an achiever, and so that your achievement will further enhances the image of the institution. Don't think that I have done maximum and whatever I have done is sufficient for my life. Try to be an achiever, try to be role model others to follow. And I wish you very all the best, particularly the candidates students who got awards, gold medals in each branch of engineering, and also silver medals and bronze medals. I am happy to note that the college is giving each branch 3 medals, gold, silver, and also bronze medal. I wish you all the best in your future, and you should come up in flying colors in your future. Try to make a note of that. Your achievement not only giving happiness to the parents, but also to the teachers, but also the management who have helped you to nurture your life. Thank you.